Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn punctuation marks. Why you are use punctuation marks and what is punctuation marks? Punctuation is the set of marks used at the correct places in a piece of writing. And why you use this? It helps in the proper reading and understanding of the piece of writing. Means when you use to punctuation marks, that time you understand to what you read and your writing. So let's start. Punctuation marks, which is 1 full stop, semicolon, question mark, colon, comma, exclamation mark, quotation marks or inverted commas. Then dash, hyphen, caret, apostrophe, parenthesis, capital letters, ellipsis, slash or oblique. These are all punctuation marks, but we are use regularly few punctuation marks, which is full stop, comma, exclamation marks, question mark, capital letters and double inverted comma or single inverted comma like quotation mark. So let's start these all punctuation marks. So we are going to learn these all basic punctuation marks. Full stop. What is the full stop and when you use this punctuation mark? At the end of assertive and imperative sentences. Assertive sentence and imperative sentences. What is meant by assertive sentence and imperative sentence? Assertive sentence means declares a statement and imperative sentence means gives instructions or advice. For example, I am writing a letter. This sentence is simple sentence, means it's only statement, so it's assertive sentence. And come in quickly, here gives to instruction, it's imperative sentence. We are friends, it's assertive sentence. And open all the windows, it's imperative sentence. Then it is used with abbreviation and initial of names. Abbreviation means, look at here, for example, MA. It's it's short form of Master of Arts. Then initial names. We use to sometime our initial names. That time you use their full stop like Miss S.A. Patil. Then comma. The comma is used to mark the shortest words in a sentence. It helps the reader to understand the sentence in better way. Means these punctuation marks we use to short pause in a sentence and you easily understand this all lengthy sentence in better way. For example, Ganga, Yamuna, Kasari, Panchaganga, Tapi, they are all rivers names. Here we use to comma and we take a small and short pause in this sentence and easily understand to these all sentence. Then when you use to write to dates, last time you use comma like this time February 20, 2020 or 12th February 2020. Exclamation mark. After interjection or at the end of an exclamation. For example, ah, I have cut my finger. Then, how sad I feel for all these people. Here you use two exclamation marks. What a beautiful scene it is. It means when you express your strong feelings, that's time you use here exclamation marks, and you use to interjection words, that's time use after interjection exclamation marks. Question mark. At the end of interrogative sentences. Interrogative means like question. For example, where does he live? What do you want? At the end of question tag. Question tag is part of grammar. For example, it is an excellent piece, isn't it? It's not wonderful, is it? Like this type. Capital letters. We use capital letters to begin sentences for proper nouns, for the word I by itself, and to begin direct speech statements. Means when you start to sentence, that's time you use to first words capital letter, and then all proper nouns you use to first letter is capital, like boy's name या girl's name like Riya, Rahul, this type. And when you use to I, you can write their capital. For example, the teacher said, you and I will try this quiz, Raman. Here gives to all begin sentence for letter, then proper nouns and I, and its sentence is direct speech. Look at here, the is beginning letter of this sentence. So we write here T is capital, then I is capital, and Raman is proper noun. So you use their capital letters for first letter in this word. Then question marks or inverted comma. Double inverted commas are used to correct the exact words spoken by a speaker in direct speech. For example, Riya said, the bag is very nice. So here two persons talking about third person is Riya, and second person used to all this word for third person, it's the bag is very nice. So when you use to same this sentence in your spoken, that time you use their double inverted comma. Like Riya said, the bag is very nice. Use single quotation marks, means single inverted comma. Single inverted comma to emphasize or focus on a word or phrase. Like for example, Gandhiji was greatly impressed by reading the book unto this last. In this sentence, highlight to one book's name is unto this last. So when you highlight to one words or one phrase, that time you use their single inverted comma. Look at in this sentence. In this sentence, use single inverted comma and first use to full stop and then use single inverted comma and complete this sentence. It's correct. And look, this sentence first use to double inverted comma and then use their full stop. It's also correct sentence. Means these two type of punctuation marks you can use in your sentences. It's also correct.